I am home. As you can see, I have my daughter here from Tallahassee. I have taken down the tree. If you guys remember, I left this up here and I already put the tote up. Dang it. Taken down the tree, and I've started putting my pictures back. And on this table is normally where we have people in our family close to us on my husband's side and my side that have passed. I have my salt lamp that I need to turn on, but I have taken down the tree. The twins haven't come yet, so there's still gifts there. I have mopped, swept. My granddaughter's here. She's making a mess with her baby alive. But I've swapped. Y'all heard me? Mopped, swept, moved couches, cleaned. You'll see the Dollar Tree video, I think at the beginning or end of this, because I just came from the Dollar Tree and I was showing you guys what I had. And my daughter has left, excuse her room, and she's left me with her pet. She went to Jacksonville for her birthday. Come on, crazy. Look at this man. This is what I'm left with. And he's ready to go out the door. Maybe as use the bathroom. She went to Jacksonville for her birthday to see her friend because her birthday plans were ruined. So if you don't know, I do have a New Year's baby. January 1st is her birthday. And she hopped on a train to go to Jacksonville till Friday to see her friend. And my daughter from Tallahassee's here. My granddaughter's here. She left me with her puppy. My husband's here, so I don't know what we're gonna do today. Thinking about just catching a movie. I didn't cook today, and normally I do. I don't know where he went. I didn't cook today. Use the bathroom. Don't come back. Come here. Did you use the bathroom? Go use the bathroom. Hey. Go use the bathroom. And where did you leave that dumb toy? Oh, Lord. Cash. Oh, okay. You need to use the bathroom. I'm not gonna keep running out here. I'm about to sit down and relax until everybody figures out what they want to eat. And I think we're gonna see a movie at about 5:30 or 6 o'clock, and then maybe go for an afternoon walk. And then we'll be ready for work tomorrow after the afternoon walk. I've been walking at least 3 or 4 times a week with my husband. What do you see? Come here. Don't play with me. You didn't use the bathroom. I'm not coming back out. Oh, you want to play? Go get it. Go get it. So that's about it for my New Year's. Very relaxing New Year's. Thanksgiving, I had a lot of people at my house. I cooked a lot of food. Christmas, a couple of people cash. And we made our rounds. So I come here. I really wanted to relax today because I'm not off tomorrow. I was gonna have baby girl a pool party, but she didn't want to. She wanted to go with her friends out of town. So she's 19 now. Come here. And there's no more chilling with mom at 19. We did go to dinner last night. You guys will see those pictures on the internet. We went to dinner last night. I'll give you some water. Come back. Went to dinner last night and took her to eat before we went to church. So at least we did that with her. So I'm going to finish cleaning up. Hope everyone has a happy, and safe New Year. Get down. I don't know why my granddaughter left her baby alive food and Pampers up here, but whatever. And I will see you guys for the New Year. Glad everybody made it. Thank you for your support. And I'll see you guys next time. Friends, really quickly, just want to let you know that I did find the Caress Botanicals body sprays in the Dollar Tree. My daughter is here for the holidays, so I got 2 for her, the one from Tallahassee, 2 for baby girl, and 2 for me. I got 1 of each for each one of them. There is a green one that is Mediterranean Lotus, and then there's a purple one that is Sweet Violet. I prefer the green. I sprayed them in the store. I prefer the green over the purple, but either way, I just grabbed 1 of each because everybody's scent is different. So I grabbed my daughter from Tallahassee 1 of each, baby girl 1 of each. Got some Gain dryer sheets, which is nothing new. These LED light bulbs are awesome. If you guys see these, I need to take it out this bag because she put it in there with that. These are awesome light bulbs. It says shatter resistant, but I'm still going to take it out of the bag. It lights up a room majorly lights up a room. I'm going to take that out of that bag. And that's all I grabbed. I grabbed some gloves. You know, I have nails. I clean, I wash dishes, I do everything with my gloves. And in the other bag is my fail-safe, which is about 4 Pepsis. But I just wanted to let you guys know because I had been looking for a while and I'm just now finding these sweet violet and Mediterranean lotus. It is 3 ounces, 3.1 ounces. So it is a tall, slender can. It's not a big fat can, but it's a tall, slender can. But you know what? It's enough for $1. I did find the razors and I should have took a picture of it. But the little eyebrow razors, there's only one in the pack. That's not worth $1 for me. I can go to the beauty supply store and they usually 2 for $1 at the beauty supply store, or 4 for $1 at my beauty supply store. Or sometimes you can go to Ross or Marshall's and get like a whole pack, like a 5-pack of eyebrow razors for like $3.99 or something like that. So to pay $1 for one razor, and the razor was about the length of your finger. It wasn't the long razors, but to pay $1 for one razor was not beneficial to me. So I left the razors there. Next time I go, I'll try to record in the store. It's very hard for me to do because I'm trying to concentrate on what I'm looking for. I usually have a list, but I didn't have a list today. But I definitely check for those. So these are a good buy if you find them. They are a good buy. And I'll see you guys next time. Give me your thought. Get down. Get down.